Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off your Surface and unplugging the charger and peripherals to prevent shorts. Once done, place it on a flat, static-safe workspace and ground yourself. This prevents electrostatic damage. Prepare a soft microfiber cloth, a can of compressed air, 70% plus isopropyl alcohol, and cotton swabs. Now remove loose debris with compressed air using short bursts. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid propellant. This first step keeps liquids and particles from getting pushed deeper when you clean. With the screen facing up, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% plus isopropyl. Wipe in smooth strokes to remove fingerprints and oils because alcohol evaporates fast and reduces streaking. Make sure not to saturate, just slightly damp. Flip the surface and tilt it to expose ports and the hinge. Use short compressed air bursts to eject dust. For the keyboard, run a damp cotton swab between keys and use a soft brush for stubborn grime. Ensure no liquid pools, and let surfaces air dry before proceeding. After cleaning, give the surface at least 10 to 15 minutes to air dry completely. This prevents residual moisture from causing shorts when you reconnect power. Inspect all ports and vents visually and with compressed air again if necessary, because trapped debris can cause overheating or connection issues. Reattach cables and peripherals only when every cleaned area feels dry and cool to touch. If the device won't boot after reassembly, make sure it's fully dry. Then try a hard reset. Persistent issues may indicate liquid ingress requiring professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.